Today's look has Gen Z written all over it with this inspo that we found from an anime picture on Pinterest. We've got a fun new product to try for this challenge, so grab your notes and let's get started. Our friends over at Shake & Go sent us over their new Organique 4x Afro Kinky Bulk Hair in 12 inches. Each pack comes with 4 large, super fluffy Afro Kinky Bulk Hair. Even though it looks like human hair, it's made with premium fibers that are soft, lightweight, and tangle-free. Prepping for this was super simple. I only used a little less than 3 packs, and it was easy to separate and easy to stretch. This type of hair is perfect for creating natural looking styles like the twist we're doing today, faux locks, crochet, or even some custom updos, which I plan to try later on. The 12-inch length makes it versatile for both shorter and layered looks, and currently offers a shade range of 13 different colors for you to choose from. So here's the inspo pic that my lovely client pulled out for me. She is very into anime and an amazing artist. She did not create this specific character, but it is very reminiscent of all the characters that she does create. Welcome back to the channel, my baby girl Brianna. When it comes to hair, my baby girl hit the jackpot lottery. She's basically been a professional client since she had enough hair to catch. If you recall, in her last appearance, she had a little hiccup trying to flat iron her own hair and completely damaged it. So we have officially gotten to the point where we have completely grown out all of the damage and we're back to healthy curls. Before we went into this style, I noticed that her hair was a little dry, so we did a 30-minute deep condition. And because she usually wears her styles for about 3 months, we always do this process and we always do a trim. Now, baby girl has gotten to the age where she is very specific about her look. She loves the natural twist style, but it has to be layered a certain way. She loves the wolf cut, and the bangs are non-negotiable. So her appointments usually run a little overtime because I gotta make sure it's right before she leaves the chair. Here are the products we'll be using today. As always, they'll be listed in the description box below. You'll notice that I completely blew her out for this look. That is so that we can get even, nice clean parting, and it allows for the hair to be more manageable when you're adding in the hair for the twist. I'm also doing a basic medium parting map, which I have a full step-by-step guide on. I will link it in the cards above for you. To start her twist, I'm going to separate it into 3 strands as if we're going to start a knotless braid. But before I begin that first rotation, I'm going to grab a piece of the kinky bulk hair and I'm going to place it in between my first 2 strands. You should have 2 strands that have hair added to it and 1 strand without. You're going to continue braiding. I only do about 3 rotations. Specifically, when I get that 1 strand without to that left hand side, I twist it and then I start crossing over in the opposite direction. When twisting, it is important that you're twisting each individual strand before you cross them over. Think of it like twisting a rope. Now, in the past, I've explained that some brands of hair have specific curl patterns, so it does determine which direction you twist. But with this kinky bulk hair, it does not matter if you twist to the right or the left. This hair is designed to blend seamlessly, especially with this hair type. If you're the type of person who loves Marley twists, I would highly recommend this hair because it is a whole lot softer, so less abrasive on your actual hair strands. As you can see, I added in a huge chunk of hair, but you can't even tell I added anything in. It just looks like I extended her hair. Here's another angle of the step-by-step. I'm going to split her hair into 3. I'm going to grab my desired piece of kinky bulk hair and I'm going to add it to 2 of the legs and continue braiding. You see that leg that doesn't have hair added to it? That's basically going to be my hook around braid. So when it gets to the far left, I'm going to twist it in the opposite direction, add it to the other leg, and begin twisting to the right. You'll see before I cross over each twist, I'm twisting the actual strands. So those strands need to be twisted before you cross over. And the pink moisturizer, I'm just adding that to her ends. The moisture and the water in the pink moisturizer is going to help her hair revert as we do the twist. The next few minutes are me just showing you how to do this install method from different angles. If you're not following along here, you can skip ahead to this timestamp where we install and shape the bangs. So for the bangs, as you can see, her hair is a little too long. If I were to twist it all the way down, she would not get that bang effect. So what I do is I just put a couple of cornrows going straight back and I finish them with a twist. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some hair to the cornrows and crochet them in and twist them down. I actually had to try this 2 or 3 different times because the braid pattern was not working out with the way the bangs were falling. So we ended up making sure that there was a middle cornrow so that we had the bangs falling in the middle and then there was no gaps. You can see her eyes are getting real heavy. This was a long appointment. We were both wore out. And of course, the tricky part, make sure you measure twice and cut once. I had to be very careful. So I started cutting low and then I worked my way up until we got to a point that she liked. So here's what the hair looked like before I added the tendrils in the front. 1, it was late, we were both tired, and 2, my camera cut off. We ran out of storage. Here's what it looks like when she would wear it down. Super full, super natural, and the hair is so soft, just like human kinky bulk hair. The following day, I added her tendrils and added jewelry to weigh it down, and I think I nailed the inspo. What do you think? As always, if you learned something new, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and tell a friend. Special thanks to our friends over at Shake and Go for sponsoring today's video. All the information you need will be in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.